Most powerful cordless suction. Shark PowerDetect DuoClean Detect nozzle is designed to capture more dust, dirt, and debris. With dirt detecting intelligence, EdgeDetect senses edges and corners and increases suction power. FloorDetect auto-detects floor type and adjusts brushroll speed, while DirtDetect detects hidden dirt for enhanced debris pickup with forward and reverse debris pickup for faster cleaning.
You are looking at Shark's most powerful cordless stick vacuum. You're looking at the one that is the most fully featured, so you get more bang for your buck. You are looking at the top of the line when it comes to a cordless vacuum from Shark. And why is that so important? You know, that sounds impressive. Even more so when you figure that Shark, according to the Circana Retail Tracking Service, Shark is the #1 vacuum brand in the U.S. for 4 consecutive years. So now we have the #1 brand saying, hey, guess what, QVC friends, we are giving you our top of the line cordless stick vac. So now it's like best in class from a company that's already best in class. But why you want to pick this up here at QVC, because you can't get it other places, is our price. This is the power of Shark on QVC, because if you were going to go anywhere else and get this color, the grape, you could find it someplace else, truth to be told. But this grape right here, do you know just the grape would be $400, just $403 just for the vacuum cleaner, that you'd get that and you would get the pet tool. We are also, however, going to throw in the crevice tool. So now that's another $30. If you went to retail stores, another online retailer, you would be spending about $433 for what we're doing for $133 less. In fact, for less than the cost of just the vacuum, we're giving you both. Here's your grape. We have it also available in this really pretty warm metal, which is like a champagne-y color. That is exclusive to QVC. And we have it in the navy, which we have right here. Yep, do you notice this? Look, as I wanted to, I'm going to be able to go under the beds. I'm going to be able to go under the furniture. We started the day with 15,000. We now have about 3,000 left, and that is it for the day. Excuse me. And we only have about 48 more minutes at this price, and then we're going to show you a new today's special value, and the price is going to go up. So when we talk about Shark being the #1 vacuum brand, and this being the most fully featured cordless vac, what else do we need to know?
I know. What else? Hi,
But
Sandra.
hi, it's so good to see you. But Elizabeth Watts is here to really tell us everything else we need to know. It makes vacuuming fast and easy.
Oh my gosh, it's like the most high-tech vacuum you've ever seen that you only have to press one button. So you don't even have to know, but I'm going to tell you as much as I can in the next few minutes. But, you know, here's the thing. You're going to push one button, and you'll notice that you've got some lights on the front and the back, Sandra. When I go forward, the lights change color, but the sound of the vacuum changes too. So what's happening here is the vacuum is sensing, first of all, the floor type. It knows it's on a hard floor surface. Then it's sensing the dirt. Let me show you what I'm seeing. So when you first turn this on, as long as you've got it in the automatic mode, which is what it defaults to, it's going to be white, just like this, kind of whitish. See the color of the circle? When it hits the dirt, it changes color. It lets you know there's dirt on the floor. So I'm going to give it a little more suction. Okay. I'm not doing it, the vacuum's doing it. And then when it's finished, give just a second, it will actually cycle back down to white. So it's a smart vacuum that tells you when your floor is dirty, when your floor is clean.
Not only does it tell you up here, I love that it tells us down here. Yeah. Take a look.
There it is. Now it's white again, so you know the floor is totally clean, okay? Yeah,
awesome.
so amazing. And you know, that's just one of the great features of this one.
Well, actually, not only does the light change so it tells you if you've picked everything up, I just like having a light at the base of the vacuum anyway, because you can see better under things like furniture and up against baseboards.
Yeah. Another really neat feature of this is, and this is where those backwards lights actually work really well. If you're going backwards with this vacuum, it has something that we call direction detect, where it cleans just as well in reverse as it does forward. Now you may think, oh, my vacuum does that, right? No. Most vacuums are not designed to do that. And then, as Sandra showed you, I can push one button and I can actually lay this flat. So now what am I using here? The light, the swivel, the detect, right? Underneath the furniture. Look at how great this is, Sandra. It gets everywhere. Okay? Another great thing about it, the hair doesn't wrap around it. So this is also that self-cleaning brush roll. You might notice there's no wall in the front of our vacuum here. This is actually our DuoClean. So we've got 2 brush rolls. We'll dive into that a little bit more. But why that's really great is that the DuoClean brush roll system will pick up large particles. It kind of polishes your floor. But this one, we've actually redesigned that brush roll again, Sandra. And
so you didn't rest on your laurels.
Oh, no.
The
Shark
number
never
one
does.
stick vac,
No.
4 years in a row, keeps making it better.
Yeah. Here's our EdgeDetect. It knows when it's near an edge. You see how the light I know.
EdgeDetect makes me happy.
So happy.
So anyone who has pets knows that that's where pet hair tends to become like the little tumbleweeds, right?
Yes.
It collects. It's also where your toast crumbs or whatever it is, you know, they end up getting like pushed under the cabinets, and so it's against that kickboard. The EdgeDetect to me is everything.
Everything. So another detect that it does, and I kind of touched on this right at the beginning, is the FloorDetect. So what you do again, you just push one button. So don't be, you know, intimidated by all this technology I'm telling you about. You just push one button. It starts to kind of think. The sensors in this vacuum.
Wait, it does. There's a lot more technology in here than probably any other vacuum cleaner you've owned.
Yeah.
But it's actually the easiest to operate.
Right?
You're literally, all these things we're showing you, you just push one button.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, even my mom's very old, when I grew up, corded vacuum cleaner with the vacuum cleaner bags, I still had to push a button if I went from carpet to hardwood floor.
Yeah, but what I'm showing you here is when I pull back onto the hardwood floor, it slows it down. Now, this is a really neat piece, Sandra. Not only is that DuoClean really great for dust, but listen to what happens. See how it just goes up a little bit? It's calibrating the suction depending on what it's coming in contact with.
So, and there's no blowback.
No.
Right? Like it's taking it all up. It's not taking little fine dust particles and picking up some and scattering others.
Right. That's a great point. And when I hit over here, when I actually get to some big pieces of dirt, you can hear that's the maximum suction. So we're actually able to toggle between, you know, let's say 0 and 175%. So you're getting all those different kind of speeds, but you don't have to do any of it. The vacuum does it all. And I think one of the biggest reasons, besides just getting the best clean of your life, is because it's saving the battery. This battery has up to 70 minutes run time in the hand vac on eco mode. So because it's able to kind of calibrate that just the way it should, it always knows, you know, like where it is on what speed it's supposed to be, and that keeps your battery safe.
All right, let me take you through the colors again. We have 3 colors. One of which is exclusive. Now, when we started the day, we actually had 5 colors. This has been so popular. We have about 29 more minutes or 28 minutes where you can get it at this price. Here's the grape and here's the navy. And then we have this really pretty warm metal, which is exclusive, this champagne color. In this final presentation of today's special value, I want you to know why we have sold out of 2 colors, why it's been so popular today. Because the navy and the grape, I mean, listen, I know you could go buy them someplace else. Warm metal's exclusive, but these 2 colors you can get other places, but here's why it would be foolish to do so. Because you're gonna spend almost $434 for what we're gonna do for $134 less, for under $300, for 5 easy payments of $60. We're also gonna include free shipping and handling. You're going to get not only the vacuum cleaner home, but you're gonna get the crevice tool. The crevice tool alone is another $30. So normally, the vacuum cleaner and the pet multi-tool, that by itself is $403. We're already saving you $103 before we even talk about the crevice tool. I mean, it's not like we saved you $10. We're saving you $103 before we add another $30 tool. The reason we put that tool in there is because that's one of the most popular tools that people actually will pay the extra money for. And if you have a Q card, well, then you're in luck, because then you have 9 months, same as cash financing. And so you don't even have to worry about the easy pay. Just pay it off in 9 months with with absolutely no interest. Over 400 people have made this their first purchase on QVC.
That's so cool.
I'm gonna guess a lot of them are people who love Shark that are like, I didn't know you could get Shark for such a low price.
No, I know, it's so great. I do want to show this bonus tool because I think it's really nice to know you have an extra extension on this crevice, and it's bendy. So I like that.
So that's very different.
Yeah, it is. It's very different. So between the appliances, in the car, getting around areas, but also just the reach. I mean, I could also use my extension and get like 3 more feet. But even with just this one tool, look at how high I could get. You know, this is the cleanest area of the studio because I've cleaned it all day. But wherever you're cleaning, you have that nice extra long reach. 4 pounds is all it weighs in the hand bag, Sandra. 8 pounds when you're using in the stick. And I would like to do something for you that I've only ever done with corded vacuums before. Would you like to see it?
I absolutely would.
Okay, so this is a totally full vacuum. This is overfilled.
This is where I would see this in my house and I would say, oh my gosh, empty that. That's too full.
Empty. It is too full. It is too full. So if you're at home, please empty your vacuum before it gets that full. But I just wanted to prove this crazy point that this machine, now as I said, it has just one, let me show you the controls here, Sandra. It just has the one on off right there. So when I push that, it's going to default, and you'll see the little symbol, to my automatic. But there's also, right here on the back, a little trigger, okay? And actually, it's not really a trigger, it's a button. If I push it once, it goes to eco mode. That's gonna give me my 70 minutes of runtime. If I push it again, it's gonna go to boost mode for those tough jobs. Like if you just happen to have some billiard balls you want to pick up around your home.
But I just want to mention, you're not holding a trigger though.
It's a
For
button.
anyone who has like maybe arthritis in your hand or manual dexterity issues.
Right.
I like the fact that I push a button and it stays on. I don't have to keep squeezing the trigger the whole time.
I do too. Very, very important point, Sandra. Thanks for bringing that out. And so what I'm going to do here is pick up an entire rack of billiard balls. Folks, this is a cordless vacuum. Usually cordless vacuums don't have enough suction to do this. But look at what's happening here with our most powerful cordless vacuum that we've made to date. It's picking them up, holding them in. Oh, I lost two. Every time I lose two. I don't know why. But so there you go.
Now, tell me about how I'm going to charge this, because one of the beautiful things about this is not only is it the most fully featured, top of the line cordless vac from Shark, it also is the most powerful. So how do I charge this powerful
just plug
vacuum?
it in right here. You'll either plug it in on the unit or you can take this battery off, just like this, slides out, and you can charge this wherever you want.
I actually really like a vacuum cleaner like this where I can put the vacuum cleaner in the closet and just maybe charge the battery on my kitchen counter like for half a day or something. How long does it usually take to charge up?
From 0, 4 hours, okay? So but you can keep it plugged in as much as you want. You can't overcharge it. I also love the fold over for standing.
Okay, and also if you have a smaller space, this is the vacuum cleaner for you. It's not going to take up much space to store.
And I just want to show you, even by itself without any tools, look at all this power. Notice how it's adjusting itself. So even in the hand vac, it's got that self-adjusting. And just because we're here and it's our last presentation of the day, Sandra, should I try and clean everything up as we go?
Absolutely.
I like to leave the set clean. I like to leave my house clean. Don't forget, you have the ability to do that flex anytime you need it, which I just love this around the tables of the chairs, legs of the table. Yeah, and
I know what you mean. I gotcha. So, and that's not only great for under the dining room table, but what about like couches and
we're going to show you that.
And actually, and we'll talk about when we get there. But like if you have cats or dogs, or in my case, I have 2 bunnies who like to go under the couch. Unless you want to pull the couch out all the time, it's nice to be able to get all that dirt and dust out.
It does it it does it for you with that fold down. Yeah, it's really, really nice, Sandra.
All right, so let's talk about this. I just mentioned pet hair. Always when you get this particular model, whether it was here or QVC, you are going to get that pet tool, which is fantastic, but we're also giving you the $30 crevice tool that never comes in this pack up. In fact, if you picked up just the vacuum cleaner alone, it would be $403, and then another $30 for the crevice tool. That is about $434 for what we're doing for just under $300. So we're saving you $134. We're putting it on 5 easy payments of $60 to make it more affordable for you to have the #1 vacuum brand's most powerful, fully featured stick vacuum. You get that home for $60 and free shipping and handling, and it comes with a really nice warranty.
It does, a 5-year warranty from Shark. Wow, that's kind of an amazing number for a cordless vacuum, right? We expect our vacuums to hang around for a long time. I want to point out the DuoClean here, because this is something we've seen from Shark for a few years, but this is a newer version of it, Sandra, where we've made it lighter. We've actually given you the same soft brush in front, a different brush behind. See this kind of chevron shape? This actually works even better to pull hair in, so it gets even more hair and dirt up. But what I love about this front thing here, which is just a soft brush, it will allow you to grab particles that other vacuums might push, right?
So in this case, it could be kitty litter or coffee, the finer particles, right?
Right, or even larger particles, but this is the idea that it goes right through it, it picks it up. And of course, we expect our most powerful cordless to do well in the front
There's no blowback. A lot of vacuum cleaners will suck up most of it, but throw some of it off to the side, especially if it's a lighter particle, like something like flour or something. Not the case here.
And the other cool thing is most vacuums aren't designed to clean in reverse, because there's like a little, like a brush or something back there to keep stuff from spitting.
Okay, this is actually a huge deal. Think about it. Every time you push forward, you're vacuuming. Every time you push backwards, you're vacuuming.
Yes.
So every time you move that vacuum cleaner, it is cleaning.
Yeah, and so this really shows it. And this is